Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video, I'm gonna be going over Kittl, right? It's a graphic design program. Okay, it came out not too long ago. It's still fairly new. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over a couple things here and how you can create a professional logo. Okay, so they have logo designs, they have labels, they have T-shirts. You can create posters, cards, and you create social media posts. All right, and here's all the different examples of what people have made so far. So it's by far one of the best programs I've used. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna just start a new project here. We're gonna just create a simple logo. All right, so we'll just click on that. It's loading up right now, and then for this, we're gonna change the background color. Okay, and then we're gonna go here to text. All right. So here, you have different options. Okay. So you have your vintage text, your paragraphs, the decorated ones. So we'll just go down here. You see those. All right. You have like the blockbuster text there. You could create some cool designs with that. And then you have also some other stuff here. So what I'm going to do for the purpose of this video, I'm going to just show you how to do a quick vintage logo for your business or brand. Okay, so in this case, we're going to go and then we're going to choose this one. All right, so I'm going to just back out of here. And then notice how everything's black. All you have to do is just click on the group colors, and then you're going to change it to white. Okay, so we're going to just enlarge this. And it's kind of similar also to Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, but you have a lot more control over this, and it's a lot quicker in my opinion. Let me show you an example. So we're going to click on this top line. Well, we're going to double click on it, and then we're going to click on it again, and then we could change this. Okay, so we'll put my brand on here. So we'll put Complex Hustle. Okay, so let's see. And then we could even we're gonna make it a lot smaller as well too. So we just make this a lot smaller. Or actually, all right. So, and if you want to fill in the spaces, the empty spaces, you can with different elements. So we'll go back. We'll go back here to elements. Okay, and then for example, we'll just type in a star. Okay, so we'll just make that a little bit smaller, and then we'll change the color. And they already have a color palette down here, so we'll just change that. Just make it a little smaller, and then we'll just put it in here. Just make it a little smaller here, and then boom. Okay, so just make another copy. So we'll copy that, and then we'll paste it, and we'll just move it over here. All right, and then we'll just change our main logo. Right now, you could put anything in the middle of this, but in this case, I'm just gonna put the monogram. This is a monogram text, all right? So we'll put complex hustle with my clothing brand, or you could put anything like SD. You can put anything here. Let's see. New York. So we'll just leave it as complex closing like that. All right. And there is your simple logo design. All right. And then what you're going to do here, you could do some additional stuff. We'll just click on this again, or actually click on the background. We could choose to download it. And then here, you can remove the background and download it as a PNG or a transparent background. Okay. Now, you can also um, join for free. You could download it for a free trial and get started. All right. Definitely want to thank you for being on my channel and have a good one.